Hi there, students. I thought I'd make you a quick video here. It seems that some of you are still having trouble figuring out how to use Canvas. I would think by now, as tech savvy as most of you are, you could have done it had you maybe tried a little harder. But I'm going to just run through a couple quick things about Canvas maybe that you don't know that'll help you in the days to come. I have no signs of real school starting anytime soon, so I'm going to assume that we will be doing this online thing for some time, and you really should know how to do it. So I'm going to actually use my son's Canvas page here instead of using one of yours. When you go to your dashboard, it's over here, it might look a little different than this one, than 6th grade. You might have pictures of my math class and things like that. Hopefully you can find that. These are his particular classes. I'm going to go to, just because I know, because his mom teaches him, I'm going to go to math, okay? Now this is what it'll look like when you click into your math. Your home might look different than this one. I believe on the home page from my page, for my math, it goes right to announcements. Now announcements, I use announcements to show you where your Zoom meetings are. That's where your Zoom links are to get to your meetings. I've sent you all multiple emails telling you what group you're in, telling you what time you're in. The last Zoom meeting we had, most of you got to the right time, but some of you came to the wrong time. And I'm going to please urge you to go to your correct time if you can. I tailor those to the students in that time, and if you can go to that time, it would just be a lot better for you. Okay, and then one class won't get all filled while another one is low on students. So I do have you evenly spaced out also. So please try to go to your correct time. That's under announcements in my page. Now, assignments is another tab that you need to look at frequently. Okay, and my assignments aren't these. Of course, these are assignments for a different class, but yours will say assignments up here, and it will usually have a date. I usually put a date by my assignment. Your most recent assignments is April 6th. All right, that's Monday. When you click on the assignment, it will take you there. It'll tell you what to do. Notice how this one says quiz. This little plane right here means quiz. So if there's ever a little plane by it, it means quiz. If there's ever just something like this, it means homework or just a regular old worksheet assignment. And those are a little different. If you go down to discussions, I do post about once a week a discussion. And there, when you open it, you can open it up, and then you can write things in here. Okay, I'm not going to stay there too long. The most important one I want to talk about today is grades. Okay, many of you are behind on your assignments. Many of you email me and say, where can I take a quiz? Where can I find the assignment? What am I missing? This is the spot. Grades. Okay, if you click on grades, it tells you your course. It tells you all the assignments you've taken and what score you've got on them. Okay, and if you didn't take one, it'll be blank. If you took it, it'll have your score if it's already corrected. It'll have the date due, which I don't put a lot of date dues because some of you take 2 weeks to do them. So if I put a date due, it doesn't matter much anyway. But the date due is the day I would like it to be done with. All right. So if you get a message from me saying you're missing a quiz or you're missing an assignment, this is where you go first. You go to Canvas, you go to grades, and you click on it and you find which one's missing. Let's say this one right here is missing. Let's say this is empty and you're missing the decimal division checkup. If you click on it, it will take you there and it will allow you to do it. And that's when you do it. And you do that as quickly as you can when you get my email. Now, I also realize you are getting a lot of emails, and sometimes keeping those straight is hard. But get rid of any ones that are junk. If you have friends that are emailing you, just junk mail, tell them to stop. Delete it before you even read it. Just get rid of those. Anything that you don't need. Quizzes is the other thing that's important, but you don't need quizzes if you have the grades one. Okay, if you click on quizzes, it gives you all the quizzes. Here it doesn't tell you if you've done it or not, or how much you scored on it. This is just the list of different quizzes that you've had for a while. I leave my quizzes up here for a long time because some people still aren't done with a quiz 3 weeks ago, so it's still up there for them. But in other classes, they can remove them after they're done. Like I said, if you're looking for a particular quiz, go right to the quizzes. But if you're just looking for a quiz you maybe didn't take, go to grades. And grade will give you all the stuff that you should have done and gotten a grade on. All right? That's your Canvas update and how to work Canvas. And remember, Tuesday morning, Zoom. Come to your time, be on time, and have a piece of paper to be ready. Take a look at your assignment before that Zoom time and see if you have any questions on it. Your assignment's kind of long. I don't expect you to finish it before the Zoom time. Maybe just look it over fast. Look at all the questions real quick and see if you have any questions about any of the problems that maybe you don't understand. So you can ask me during the Zoom time. All right? Take care. See you soon.